Hello guys, right, as you've been seeing, we've been working on the Cookout area for our latest Airbnb supply. We're going to need a light outside so that in the evening they can still cook and sit out and relax and eat, drink and just totally chill. So I was looking around for something to use as a light fitting and I came up with this. Now this is a container that halloumi comes in when you buy it direct from the farmers. Holds a lot of halloumi, by the way, very nice. So I'm looking to see if there's a way we can modify this. So here goes and we'll see what happens. So the first thing we're going to need is a light fitting. Now I have one of these in the shed and another one I got from the container that you saw me grab some bits from. Now it turns out these are different sizes. So we'll figure out which one goes in first. So we'll take this off, pop that out, and let's see. That's too big. That's not so bad, it's just slightly out as you can see because of the lumps just here where the handle are. But we can take some knots out of there. So let's do that first. There we go. That is going to sit in there just nice. So let's get that fitted in. Change the eyes for the readers. A little bit more off that one so it sits nicely. Right, so that's that. Don't want that one. So, right. So don't like the end of that, so we'll take a little bit off. Right, that's the two wires exposed. Just trim them back. Right in. Turn that over. Turn that over. That's it. So, right, so let's open some screws. Now what we've got is a couple of brackets, as you can see. They're going to go on the top so we can hang the light by some chains. So there we are. That didn't go as expected. We'll take that one out and move the handle. I wonder if the handle will come out. Oh yeah, there we go. That's easier. Right, there we go. That's the reason I don't want to hang it on the handle, because it will come out, strong wind, whatever. So a couple of chains and that'll be great. Now, the next thing. we need to trim this to take that. So obviously we'll take out, there we go, obviously we'll take out just round here to take that. And if we pack that back in there, screw that on, hopefully it will be the right size. There we go. So that's that. Now what we're going to need is a bulb. Now this is a good thing with modern technology. These LED light bulbs do not give off much heat, which is exactly what we need. Now this one is, where are we, 9 watt. Doesn't say how many lumens it's given us. Ah, the equivalent of 80 watts of an ordinary light bulb. So, not bad. That in there. That on there. Now we've got a selection of chains. And these used to hold curtains up at the stage school we had. Might be a bit long, but we can trim them to suit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put 4 up so that they come from 4 different points, which should stop the light swinging too much in the breeze. Right, now let's get some power and see how this fares. Right then, we've got a small extension lead. Don't think I could have got a much shorter one. Anyway, let's plug this in and switch it on to see how it fares. There we go. Now you can imagine when that's hanging outside, that's going to be quite good. Protected from the elements and in keeping with farming life with all the goats around, hence the halloumi cheese pot. Right, I'll hang this up and once it's up, we'll show you how it looks. Okay, so the light's up and fitted. So we've hooked the chain in the middle and then we've gone up to 4 points so as to stop it blowing too much in the wind. Obviously we'll never stop it, but it's at least holding it a lot firmer. So let's go switch it on, see how it is. So we've got quite a good glow from that. Obviously daylight, we're not going to be able to check to see how good it is. So we'll come back later when it gets dark and we'll check it out again. As you can see, it's pitch black, so if we put the light on we'll see how it fares. Oh yeah, that's going to be plenty good. Table's done, counter's almost done. Got to stick the tiles on next. We'll show you that later.